Hello, I'm recording this in the end of the day because I didn't expect to film today anything at all. I just brought my camera with myself and decided to just walk a bit, and actually I found that today people are watching the football game with the Philippines teams, and I think the whole city, it looks like the whole city is watching football game, and it worth watching 100%. You'll just see it later. So yeah, the Ho Chi Minh City, I would say it's a wonderful city for travelers, for living. I really want to live here maybe for some period of time, for a few months. I just understood it in one day because it's much more developed than Thailand, than Cambodia as well, and it's very beautiful here.
Sounds so good to me as I melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every woods and shines, every shing-a-ling-a-ling that is.
Also, you should know about Vietnam is that it is a communist country, yeah, because they defeated the South Vietnam during the Vietnam War. And if you're interested, I'll leave a few links to the videos which are explaining the Vietnam War and all the consequences which take place nowadays in Vietnam. And also the traffic in the city is so intensive. It is a real quest to just cross the street, really.